Hi students, once again welcome back to our channel PA Academy. Please read and observe our channel. The most important biology bits today we will discussing about these bits. These bits are most important regarding all the competitive exams. So once again I requesting all of you please kindly subscribe, like and share our channel and encourage to us we will provide more videos. So go through we will discussing about the bits. The most important bit this one, the virus contains, several times they are asking the question in the SSA and RRB also, the virus contains, it means the virus contains proteins and lipids. It consists of two basic components, nucleic acid, it is single or double standard RNA or DNA, and the protein coat, either DNA or RNA but not both. Protein coat which increases the nucleic acid, that is the main important. The second question, the causal organism of polio is, it is caused by the polio virus. It infects your throat and intestine, causes flu like symptoms. It can be spread to your brain and spinal cord, causing paralysis. The next question. Yellow fever is due to caused by the abriovirus. Symptoms of headache, fever, vomiting, preptive of veins and kidneys, swelling liver, and the skin becomes yellow from jaundice. It is very dangerous in the human. The next question. What is the hepatitis disease? It is an viral inflammation of liver. Symptoms of orange brown urine and jaundice. The eyes also becomes light yellow color. The next question. What is rabies disease? Hydrophobia. It is also called hydrophobia. It is caused by the RNA virus, rabies virus. The virus is neutropic, damage motor nerves, neurons. It means nerves, neurons of the brain. It is very dangerous. It is very dangerous. It cannot be cured once the disease will occur and damage the brain neurons. So cannot be rectified this disease. Death will occur. The next question. Common cold. Common cold rhinovirus. Influenza or flu. Next question. It is an acute respiratory tract infection caused by the influenza virus. It is spread mainly from person to person and droplets infection to drop muesli. The next question. Tetanus disease is caused. It is very dangerous. So this more than 10% people will die due to the disease. They cannot be identified. If any iron dust, rusted iron scratches or damage our skin, we should not be neglect. You must be take the tetanus injection. It is cheap and best is 30 rupees or the 20 to 30 rupees only the injection. Every person must be, when those people are working in the industries or in somewhere anywhere agriculture, you must be take the vaccine, the injection every 6 months once. This injection is up to this means this is working up to 6 months in your body to control the tetanus disease. I'm requesting all of you, if anybody are working in the agriculture or any technical works, you must be take the tetanus injection. It is caused by the motile bacteria Clostridium tetanus in soil, dust, water. The bacteria enter the body through injected surface. Once cut or damaged our skin, it can be passing through dust, water, or the bacteria enter the body through injured surface. Most probably, this one is the when the nails, the rusted nails, or the rusted iron plates. These are the most responsible disease of the tetanus. Death will occur. Nobody can't do anything. This one, once tetanus disease will be caused, it will be injected in our body, so it is very dangerous. They maybe they can remove the part, maybe your leg, your hand, or whatever it may be. So it will not a similar. You should not be think it is not a similar. uh, so you must be take care about the tetanus. Whooping cough, petrosis. It is caused by the bacteria Bacillus petrosis. Bacterial disease is tuberculosis or TB. It is caused by the bacterial Mycobacterium tuberculosis. It causes infection of lungs. It produces a toxin called tuberculosis, causes high fever. So it can be rectified by the in the childhood time. You have to take the BCG injection. It gives considerable protection against the TB. Every child must be take. We have to take care about the BCG injection in the child growth time. How many muscles are found in human body? 600. There are main three types: skeleton, smooth, and cardiac. Cardiac, because it is hard in our heart. Our bones and teeth are generally made up of tricalcium phosphate. Where is the stapes bone found in human body? Ears. The blood pressure is controlled by adrenal gland. Adrenal gland is the most important gland in our human body. It maintains several functions. These are This is also called suprarenal gland, or a very small triangle shaped gland located on the top of the both kidneys. The adrenal gland produce hormones, ones that help regulate your metabolism, immune system, BP, response to stress, and other essential functions. For example, the female hormones is also produced additional to the adrenal gland. For example, in the female hormones, the most important hormone is the estrogen. It is one of the key female sex hormone, but men have estrogen too. Also, in women's, estrogen is produced in the ovaries and is responsible for the functions like ovulation, menstruation, and breast development, and increases the bone cartilage density. So this is the main important of the female hormones, and the estrogen is the most important. It is also the most important to gives the and produce more than four essential hormones. Number one, FLH, follicle hormone, stimulating hormone, follicle stimulating hormone. Second one, LH hormone, localization hormone, localizing hormones. Third one, estrogen and progesterone have major roles in regulating the functions of female reproductive system. So what is meant by follic luteating hormone or follic stimulating hormone? In women's, the FLH helps control the menstrual cycle and stimulates the growth of eggs in the ovaries. Follicle hormone levels in women's changes throughout the throughout the menstrual cycle. Wealth is with the highest levels happens just before an egg is released ovary. This is known as ovulation. This is an man follicle hormone helps control the production of sperm. So leucolizing hormone, second one, it is made up of by your pituitary gland, a small gland located underneath the brain. Leucolating hormone plays an important role in the sexual development and functioning. In women, leucolating hormone helps control the menstrual cycle. It also triggers control the release of an egg from the ovary. That's the most important. The next question. Where is the pineal gland situated? In the brain. The next question. In human body, in which part are not considered as a gland? Stomach is we are not considered as a gland. The next question. Which one is the male sex hormone? Testosterone. Okay. The next question we will discussing about the next question. In which hormone in which hormone heat in the form of protein? This is the oxytocin. The oxytocin is the most important in our human body. It is a peptide hormone and neuropeptide. It is normally produced in the hypothalamus and released by the posterior pituitary gland. It play key role reproduction, childbirth, and the periods after childbirth. When once she becomes a pregnant, the periods will stop. After delivery, maybe 2 or 3 months or 4 months, at least 3 to 5 months. So the periods will start. So the periods will start and it be regularly. It will happen monthly. So the main function is the oxytocin. If the oxytocin is a function is properly, so once she delivered, then 3 to 5 months max. Most probably it must be start 3 months after 3 months only. So this must be start 3 to 5 months maximum. It will take time. So if you have any problem, we have to face the problem. You must be consult our family doctor. So the due to the periods should not be delay after childbirth at least 3 months. That's the most important. Which gland is released sex hormones? The sex hormones is released adrenal gland because before we are already discussing about this one. The fundamental unit of kidney is a nephron. It is the most important part in our human body is nephron. The nephrons maybe have more than 1.8 to 2 millions in our two kidneys. Each of your kidneys is made up of about a millions of filtering units is called nephrons. Each nephron includes a filter is called glomerulosus and a tubule. The nephrons work through two steps process. One, glomerulosus filters your blood and the tubules returns need substances to your blood and removal of waste to form as a urine. The main function of nephrons, one is the filtration, reabsorption and secretion and excretion. These are the main functions of the four functions. This is the important bit regarding our examination point of view. Where is the botanical survey in Indian headquarters? This is the Kolkata. The next question. The age of trees is determined by the growth rings. These are rings are formation when the big tree we have to cut. You can observe that when the rings will form, they have to count the rings. It can be identified how many years the tree. The first step in the taxonomy is identification. The second step in the taxonomy is the classification, identification, and description and nomenclature and characterization. These are the four steps. The branch of biology dealing with the study of cells is known as cytology. The next question. The basic structure and function of living organisms is called cell. Controlling the center of the cells under the control of nucleus. The nucleus is more responsible for the controlling of the cells is the nucleus. Under the nucleus only the cells are functioning. That is also important bit. The xylem is the responsible of plant the transport of water from roots to top. The next question. The cell organelles is present in both plant and animal cells. That is the mitochondria. Next one question. The endoplasmic reticulum are rough because it present on their surface is ribosomes. These are two. One is the smooth endoplasmic rectum and the other one is the rough endoplasmic rectum. The next question. The cell organelles is responsible for the cellular respiration is called under the mitochondria. Okay, students, I hope these are most important bits for your recording, your examination point of view. These are most important bits. Please care and observe our video and listen. So give me your suggestions. Please subscribe, like and share our channel. Thank you. Thank you very much.